Hey everybody, getting ready for Thanksgiving here at Cruiseman's Garage, but I want to make you aware of a special Black Friday Cyber Monday sale from our friends at Sena.com. Now, Sena makes all the Bluetooth headsets, Bluetooth equipped helmets, so that you can communicate with each other as you ride. You know I use Sena products. I have the Sena 50S on my HJC helmet, and I have the Sena Impulse helmet that I use most of the time, and it has the 50 series communicator built in. Well, I am now a Sena affiliate. That means that if you purchase any Sena products using the link in the description of this video, it does help support the channel. Doesn't cost you any more to purchase through my affiliate link, but it does help the channel. Now, here's the deal. Right now, they have a Black Friday Cyber Monday sale going on. It's only good through December the 2nd. So now is the time to make your Sena purchases. You can save 20% on anything site-wide with one exception. That exception is the brand new 60S, which I will be reviewing very soon on my channel. If you want the Sena 50S, which is what I use, or the Sena Impulse helmet, you can save 20%. You have to use the coupon code BFCM2024. At the very end, when you go to checkout, there's a place there to put in that coupon code. Make sure you enter that, and it will take 20% off of your purchase price. This is an incredible deal. I don't even remember the last time Sena did something like this. So now is the time to get your Sena communicators ordered before Christmas using this Black Friday Cyber Monday special offer. Thank you, Sena, for offering this to my viewers. Thanks again for joining me today. Remember to give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next Cruiseman's Garage. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody.